Hello friends, welcome to third video on kivy math puzzle game. So um, we have in last video we have made three blocks are moving in a vertical direction and uh, showing animation when someone touch this button or level. So in this video we have defined a math function which will return uh, random questions and answer. This symbols is uh, this is symbol which um, can be in 1 to 3 range, and in this range uh, these three operations will be executed. So this math function will generate a random question and answer. So now in my game class we are just calling a and b equal to math. Here a is question and b is answer. Now we have to generate three options: self answer list. We are here we have defined we are sorry I am defining a list answer list equal to b into rand int 1 to 10, sorry b plus, and b minus rand int array in d int 1 to 100 1 to 10, sorry. We have defined a list and we are just changing the B is correct answer corresponding to a question, and we are just changing generating some two other points, two other options. Now we have to shuffle these three uh, option. Answer list equal to sample. We just calling sample functions of random from random. So sample function will shuffle the list, answer list, and case length of the list, self dot answer list. This is the list we want to shuffle, and this is the length of that list. Now you can print this before and after shuffle answer list, and print self dot answer list. Here so you can see number are shuffled. Now we have to pass this, we have to pass value of this answer list into this SB object. So str, just I'm just converting into a string, self dot answer list and I. This is, so I'm just passing all the values here. Now we can see here it's showing the list, showing the options, and before that we have to uh, write the question within question section here. So for this, just open my app.kv file, and here I'm just putting an ID, QID, QID, and we can set self dot IDs. See, I have defined that QID here, so I can access print self dot IDs. See, we can see here the ID is QID is here. This is an object. We can set, sorry, we can set this, or we can access the properties of this level, and we can set and text set size through this ID. We can access properties of this level through this ID. Now self dot IDs dot QID dot text. I'm just changing the text property of this level. Now so it's here, and question was A here, 3 cross 5. So 3 cross 5 is 15 is correct answer. Now you can increase the font size of the label. Font size 30 SP. Oh, sorry. Here now see, in one interval or one period it is not changing its question and answer, so we have to do this. So for this, just here in game loop we have to generate the a new question and answer, and uh, we have to put the text, we have to change the text of this of this level and this level, these levels. So now math. Now self dot just copy this list, copy this step and print here, sorry, paste here. Now we have with array list here. we have stored all the SB object in with array, so we can access that objects for j in range 3. We are using j because I have used I here, so we are using the j. Now self dot with array I dot text equal to str self dot answer list. Sorry, here is j. You have to use j and j, and here we have to change the question here. IDs dot q id dot text equal to str a. Now you can see after one interval, this in this game uh, changing its question and answer options. So 10 cross 10 is 100. We have to increase this sorry, we have to increase the font size of this option. So for this, definitive on, sorry, we have defined SB here, SB class. Now just font size equal to 30 SP. See here. Now we have to check in this game. We have to check this when someone click any option. We have to check this is right or wrong, and player can only one chance to click in an interval. So for this we have to define a flag. So here we have just defined a click properties, click variable, which is boolean property, and initially it is true. Sorry, it is false. False. Now initially it is false, so now when it is false, then player can touch that block or SB block. So for this we have to just if clicked, sorry, parent, if self dot parent means its parent widget or parent class. As we are using SB objects here in this mygame class, so mygame class is the parent class of the SB class. Now CKED clicked, if not clicked, So after that, uh, when it is clicked one time, self dot parent dot clicked equal to false, sorry, true, 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 tr, true. That means initially it is false, and after one click, it we have changed this value equal to true. Now here see, player can only one chance to click three option. Now we have to reset that uh, that variable in, okay, see here, we have only one chance to click, uh, but after one interval we cannot click it. So to solve this problem, we have to reset that click variable. So here in self dot sorry, game loop, here after self dot click cld equal to false. Now after crossing that self dot height, means that my game widget's height, uh, uh, you are setting the clicked variable equal to false. Now you can see after one interval we can click again, but only one chance, we have only one chance to click in one interval. Now we have to check um, if this option is correct or not, and if it is correct, then we will increase that score, otherwise it will same. Now score, score equal to numeric sorry, numeric property. You have to define numeric property. Numeric property, initially the score is 0. Numeric property is similar to boolean property, but it hold numerical value. We are using kivy properties because kivy properties are special benefits. That's why we are using uh, sorry, I am using new kivy properties. Initially the score is 0. Now in SB class, if in SB class we have to send the correct answer. So for this we have defined a variable numeric properties, and initially it is 0, or you can set it none. Now Here, see, we have defined a answer variable, and we have defined a variable, answer variable, which is a numeric property. I am using here kivy properties. See, we can send this value from here, or from constructor, I think, from class sorry, we can pass this variable when we are initializing that class answer. Here answer equal to a, this I'm just passing a value in within this class. We have defined answer is numeric property, and as I am using kivy properties, so I can pass this like this. I pass this value like this. uh, See here, this is a one benefit when we are using kivy properties. Now we have the correct answer, and we can get text from here. So if str answer equal to self dot text, that means when the answer and the text, correct answer and the text of this class is same, we have to increase the score sorry, parent dot score equal to class equal to 5. We have to increase, we sorry, I am increasing this score equal to class equal to 5. Now we can print the score in game loop. Print su self dot su score. So now I running this game. Sorry, one thing. Okay, there is something problem is here. Once again, I have did some mistake here. So Okay, I have did some mistake here. So I am passing the question, but I have to pass here the answer. B is the correct answer, and A is the question. So I have to pass the B this here B in the SB object. Or now 2 plus 3 is 5 here. Okay, one thing is 5. Why? Okay, this printing is score here. 10 cross 10 cross 8. 2 cross 2 plus 8 is 6. 5 cross 1. Okay, this code is 5. Now 967. Okay. So now uh, we have to write the score here. We have to write the score here. So for this, initially in unit 2 we have to define a id here. Id equal to sid sid sid. Now in unit 2 method uh, we have to write the score. Self dot ids dot self dot ids dot sid dot text equal to str sco self dot score. Here it is initially it is 0 and 9 plus 9 18, but it is here the score is not updating. So for to solve this we have to define a method here. See this score self. One second. Okay, I have solved this problem here. See, 8 cross 1 is 8, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So here we have just increased the score. Here, see, we see we have the score. We have defined the score is numeric property, and here we are just passing the answer here, but we have to forget the set the answer here in uh, self dot with array w with array j dot ans answer equal to b. So we have just update the correct answer here. Now see the one second, one second. See here 5, and after 1 to 7 cross 1 is 10. It is just now it is increasing. It's the score 15. Now 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Now 20 score is 20. So it is working, but we have to change that position, the text of the score level here. It is initially 0, and we have to change the value here. Now as we are using kivy properties, so there are some kivy in kivy properties. When you are using kivy properties, uh, we can create event. So to do this, just write on dash before your property name. Here see, on score. The score is the my variable name. When I am just setting on dash before the score. It is now a event, an event. So this event will fire when the value of the score will change. When the value of the score will change, this method will automatically called. This is the benefit. This is the second benefit of kivy property. And when it is called, we can set okay, just obj and value. We have to pass two values and just lu. This is the value of the score. This value. Okay. Now we can see. Initially it is 0, and when it is 8, correct answer is correct. This 3 cross 4 is 12, and 10. Now 3 cross 5 cross 3 is 15. So our score is 15. Now 1 minus 9 is minus 2, 9. And 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 20, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So here the see the score is changing here. So this is very important, uh, and this is a benefit of kivy properties. So you can create event by using kivy properties. uh, Now, we have to increase the font size equal to 30 sp. 08 cross 1 is. Now I am just increasing the speed of the game. In my game class, just changing the value of this vector. 8 8 5 5 is okay. So now it is very fast. Okay, it's too fast. Fifth, now 10 cross 5 is okay. So now this game is working. uh, that's all for today. In next video we will show you how to set live or uh, sorry, in next video I'll show you this this like progress bar like, and the life. When someone enter wrong answer, so it is decreasing in his life or losing his life. So that's all for today. I'll see you in next video. Just like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.